But Nigerian army don't respond to asari dokubo. See now mat asari dokubo they make. See not get any power to bring any helicopter down. See now mat they make. So if you know say you get power, make it enter the battlefield, make it see the power of Nigerian army. This is a lie they talk. What video?
Now, the Defense Headquarters has responded to a viral video of former Niger Delta militant Asari Dokubo, who claimed he had the ability to bring down military aircraft allegedly hovering over his residence during the recent Rivers State local government elections. Dokubo suggested that the aircraft were trying to intimidate him because of his support for the elections and warned of his capacity to retaliate. In response, Major General Edward Buba, Director of Defense Media Operations, dismissed Dokubo's claims as laughable, asserting that he was merely blabbing and lacked the capability to challenge the military or take down any of his aircraft.
To comments by some individual that they can shoot down the helicopter of the military, I think that's laughable. In fact, I'm about to laugh about that. And I say that because, you know, we're in a democracy and we are a professional force. We cannot just based on somebody's comments begin to do certain things and then they will now accuse the military of being undemocratic. The military is not the only security agency, force or department in the country. There are other security forces who have a role to play constitutionally when it comes to some of these issues. But I tell you that he doesn't have that capability, he's just blabbing. But I will allow the security forces that are responsible for handling such cases to take up the matter. Ours is come on the battlefield and we take you out. You should come on the battlefield and see whether we can react or not.
On a separate issue, General Buba clarified report about 13 repentant Boko Haram terrorists allegedly escaping from a rehabilitation camp with rifles. He stated that the military is not responsible for the de-radicalization, rehabilitation and reintegration program, but assured that measures are being taken to ensure the program remains effective.
You would know by now that the military is not responsible for the DDR program which is ongoing with their surrendering in the Northeast. Now, having said that they have gone back to the bush is an ugly and disappointing development. However, it requires all hands on deck to make sure that the DDR process is online, is on stream, and producing the desired result that it is intended to produce.